Hi, today I'm so happy to share 5 fantastic techniques which I personally use while learning English. These are the 5 techniques that I'm going to cover in this video so that they help you in your English learning journey. So let's get started without any delay. First technique is reading. Yes, reading. Reading is the fundamental, it is the basic thing one must do while learning English. When you read in English, you feed information, new words, pronunciation into your brain, which help you to learn English easily and clearly. And here I am going to share 2 bonus tips for reading. The first is reading with a pen between your teeth, and second, reading after removing the pen. So, in the first step, you have to put a pen in between your teeth and read a paragraph. When you do this, your mouth, your jaw relaxes. With pen between your teeth, I know you will not be able to read clearly. You will not be able to understand what you're reading. But when you use the second step, that is removing the pen and then reading it, you will clearly and instantly feel a change that you are able to speak clearly now. So, this is the benefit of these 2 steps that you will be able to pronounce clearly after this technique. The second step is record, listen, and improve. This will play a very significant role in your English learning journey. Firstly, pick a topic, speak about 2 to 3 minutes while recording yourself. When you record yourself on camera, you feel confident about yourself, and this will also help you in the outside world. And second, listening to what you have recorded. When you listen to your own voice, you become familiar to it. You understand grammatical mistakes, pronunciation mistakes, and if you're repeating some words or not. And once you figure out your mistakes, you improve it. And when you do this all by yourself, you will understand that English is not very difficult to deal with. Third technique is upgrade one sentence every day. As a beginner, when you are learning English, you come across very new sentences every day. So pick one sentence and upgrade it. Only one sentence each day will bring a drastic change. For example, if you say, I don't like this idea, upgrade it as, I'm not convinced with this idea. Or if you say, I'm very tired, instead upgrade to, I'm exhausted. This will make your English vocabulary upgraded. Fourth technique is shadowing. Shadowing has created a buzz on internet recently, and I must say shadowing really helps. Shadowing is not about just copying what you listen in the video. Shadowing is about understanding the pronunciation, understanding the rhythm and the pauses in the video. Basically, pick a video, listen to it, understand the pronunciation, understand the rhythm, and likewise repeat it. Repeating is not just about repeating sentences, understanding the rhythm and following the rhythm of the sentences. This will make you understand the flow of English language, the flow of sentences in English. Fifth technique is the most important and interesting technique which I personally love it. That is talking to yourself. There is a saying, whatever input you give in silence in private will automatically reflect in public. So as talking to yourself in English. Stand in front of the mirror and talk about any topic. Specifically, you can take a topic like you're speaking about yourself. You will not only improve English, but also you will understand yourself more clearly. Talk about what you want to do in life. What are your ambitions? What are your goals? What are the things you manifest? And in this way, you will understand yourself clearly, and so as you will improve English every day. So, talking to yourself, understanding yourself is the most important thing. And one thing I would like to share with you all, that whenever you're learning English, it's okay. You're learning these 5 steps, you're putting everything to learn English, but always have confidence and trust. You can do that. You are capable of doing that. If I can, you can too. And here we end up these 5 techniques. All the best to everyone who are willing to do something better in their life. Doing something is always better than doing nothing. And also, I have made a video on expressing your opinions in English. Please go watch that video. Let's learn English together. Thank you so much.